Hello, friends, welcome to another captivating journey through the world of talking trees. Today, we will be looking for an amazing member of the plant family. Ferns are a group of plants that has survived and thrived for hundreds of millions of years, outlasting even the dinosaurs. In today's video, we will be exploring the fascinating evolution, unique reproduction, diverse varieties, and global presence of these ancient plants. And we will share some amazing facts about these extraordinary survivors of the plant kingdom. Ferns first appeared around 360 million years ago during the late Devonian period. These early ferns were among the first vascular plants, meaning they had specialized tissues for transporting water and nutrients. As a result, ferns were able to grow taller and spread across the planet's surface, forming vast forests that dominated the landscape for millions of years. Ferns are living fossils providing a direct link to Earth's distant past. Ferns belong to the division Polypodiophyta, and within this division there are about 10,000 known species. Ferns are classified into several orders, families, and genera. Their structure is relatively simple. Most ferns have fronds, which are the leafy parts, rhizomes, which are the underground stems, and sori, which are clusters of sporangia where spores are produced. These spores are key to the fern's reproduction, a process that is unique as it is ancient. Unlike flowering plants, ferns do not produce seeds. Instead, they reproduce through spores, which are typically found on the underside of the fronds. When conditions are right, these spores are released into the air, where they settle and grow into a tiny heart-shaped structure called gametophyte. The gametophyte produces both sperms and eggs, and when fertilization occurs, a new fern plant begins to grow. This method of reproduction is a relic from a time long before the evolution of seeds, making ferns truly unique in the plant world. Ferns are incredibly diverse and can be found in nearly every part of the world. From the towering tree ferns of the tropics to the hardy bracken ferns that thrive in temperate regions, these plants have adapted to a wide range of environments. Some ferns even grow in deserts, surviving extreme conditions that would be inhospitable to most other plants. This adaptability has allowed ferns to become one of the most widespread and successful groups of plants on Earth. Did you know that ferns have been used by humans for thousands of years? In some cultures, they are a symbol of luck and protection. The fiddleheads of certain ferns are even edible, and some are considered a delicacy in various cuisines. Additionally, the oldest known fern fossil date back over 360 million years, making them some of the oldest plants still in existence today. Their resilience and adaptability are nothing short of extraordinary. So the next time you encounter a fern, take a moment to appreciate its ancient lineage, unique biology, and incredible adaptability. These humble plants are living reminders of our planet's distant past, and their story is one of survival, evolution, and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Support us by liking, sharing, and commenting your thoughts. And don't forget to support us on Patreon to see our research grow more. We are Talking Trees.